How to send snap from gallery without showing the filter. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now as I logged into your account, simply tap on the friends or the chat section. So here, if you want to send the photo or the snap from gallery without saving or showing the filter, simply tap on the camera icon. Then tap on the gallery section and then select a very random picture. Now you can create or add any sort of filters over here. So as you do that, tap on send to and then tap on a particular person over here. Then tap on send. Now just go to the chat over here, and when you tap on the chat, you can see it will not be sent as a photo, but it will be sent as a snap. So which is what we're trying to do. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.